Can you smile for us, baby boy? Say hi. He's just chilling on the glider chair. Ooh. You're coming up to your chin. Hi. Hi, handsome. Here's my little boy. You want me to pick you up? Okay. One more smile. Come on, let's try. Can you smile for us? Come here. Okay, I'll take that. That was wonderful.